Arre, Samsung S8. Come on, unboxing the brand new Samsung Galaxy S8. Nice. Whoa.
I'll just keep it here too.
Right, right. Nice. And what is all that?
Came with my ADD SIM card.
Okay.
Let's see what else is in the box. Comes with the standardized charger,
Fast charger.
fast charge. Some USB. I don't know what that is.
USB Type C. And
Type C.
the cable. Yeah, USB cable.
Type C. This is what I was excited for. EKG headphones.
Nice.
The build is really nice. This is some kick-ass stuff. I'm interested. Okay, the phone is stuck.
Yeah, I think it has rebooted. Welcome, Ameya.
Okay, stopped. Insert SIM card to access network services. Okay, let's insert the SIM card first.
Yeah.
So it comes with an Anderson.
Is that AT&T?
That is. Turn on what Wi-Fi out. Let's see. Okay. Switch on Wi-Fi.
Where is Winterfell? Winterfell is back. Whoops. Password. Done? Yep.
It's connected to the Wi-Fi now.
Winterfell is back. Agree to all. Yes, sir. Software update. No problem. Google services. Yeah. Just a sec. Oh, so it's got juice, huh?
Yeah, it's got some juice. I hope it doesn't blow.
We'll have to check that once we charge.
Destroying anything now.
Yeah.
Okay. PR pen. This. Central time. Everything looks fine.
Okay. I think it's synced from the Wi-Fi. Protect your phone. You can do that later, yeah. Skip anyway. Updating. AT&T mobile transfer. Okay, so we'll skip that. Okay, so looks like a skim setup, no problem. Later. Samsung account. Oh, hey, skip. Okay. Samsung Cloud and everything else.
No, let's not do it right now. It's your contents. It's on your old device. No, let's not do it right now. We'll do it later.
Finish?
Come on, I just want to see my
Finally,
phone.
right?
Okay.
Yeah. Finally. S8 bro, congratulations.
Bixby.
Bixby is here.
Let's
Right.
check out the camera first. Okay.
That's the back side. That's the front.
It's giving me a bunch of options. Hey, we all know this. Okay.
Whoa,
the first,
man.
The first photo that I'm going to click is of my old Galaxy S7.
Okay.
It looks okay. Okay. I love this phone. It still really works really fine. Okay, let's click something else.
Dude, the camera is like amazing.
Okay, it's got some features.
The filters, right?
Filters, yeah.
Pro mode.
It has my favorite food mode. I love clicking food photos. Okay. That looks nice.
Can you see the back side of the
What is
phone?
this? Okay. This is the back side.
This is the back
Which
side.
is quite different from the S7.
Yeah.
So
The screen ratio is also more.
so many people are saying that the fingerprint scanner may give problems. I'll have to check it out.
Yeah.
S7 and the S8. Okay.
Cool phone, bro. Cool phone.
I just hope that the S8 doesn't blow up.
Yeah. Okay, so that's all for the unboxing. Till next time. Congrats for your phone, bro.